Okay, so we walk in, we have a mirror, and then we have...
Ireland, you have spaghetti all over your face.
I do.
Go start over.
Okay, we're at the mall shopping for my secret dancer, getting one more last thing. Yep. There's some creepy guy here. He keeps running around, chasing people. It's kind of weird. There's so many things here I want, but I can't get because we're not shopping for me. We found the perfect thing. So now we are going to go to Target and a hotel. And I will be doing a food review at Olive Garden, so be ready for it. Also, we came to Spokane early today because we have dress rehearsal at dance tomorrow. And we came early because there's supposed to be a blizzard. But we come to Spokane where there's supposed to be all the snow, and what do we get? Some snowflakes? Absolutely nothing! Here's Miley. Miley! Front door service at Target is what I'm talking about. We're at Target because we have to get... Did you just say there's Easter? There's not. We're at Target because I have to get a birthday bag. Okay, so we're shopping for Valentine's Day stuff, and I turn around and Happy Easter. Might as well just say 4th of July. Happy 4th of July, everyone. I keep taking pictures instead of starting the video. We got we got the bag, and we of course got more than just the bag because it's Target, and you just can't stop shopping in Target because it's the best store ever. Yeah. You think these actually smell good? That doesn't smell good. Ooh, sugar berry. This one might smell good. Oh, it doesn't. I don't think Target knows what holidays / seasons it is, because it looks like summer to me. Where do you see? Okay, there she is.
Can I put this stuff in?
Yeah. If you want to know my favorite candies, it is Juicy Drop Pop, Strawberry Lemonade, and wrong flavor. Still wrong flavors. Okay, well I can't find my other flavor, but it's the blue raspberry one. This color, Blue Rebel, but not in the candy, 'cause I don't like that. Just in that one.
Hello.
And I also like these.
All the time.
They're the best.
You usually come in at night, don't you?
Yes. Spring, are we here on
I also
Fridays?
like those.
We have
Also, these. You can't go wrong with salted caramel chocolate.
yes, we do.
She keeps talking.
Yeah, we're together.
All done at Target, and now we're gonna go to Olive Garden. And the lady always tries to get us to get a Target red card, and we tell her every time we don't want one. We don't want one. No, actually, we say no, thank you. I got 2. I couldn't grab them all. Okay, we got to Olive Garden, and I broke my nail. It hurt really bad, but it's at Olive Garden, so yeah. We just ordered, and I got ravioli with marinara and a salad and breadsticks, and we also got stuffed mushrooms, and I don't like the mushrooms, I just like the cheese. Okay, our appetizer just came. We got some breadsticks, a salad, and some stuffed mushrooms. Dinner came.
That would be great.
Raviolis.
Romano cheese on the pasta.
Yes, please.
Colas.
Thank you.
You know I'm taking a bite of yours.
Olive Garden was very yummy. I rated a 4 out of 5 because the mushrooms kind of tasted weird, I guess. I didn't eat them. But the breadsticks were a little iffy too. Okay, we're going to our hotel room now, so I'll give you a tour when we get there. Okay, we made it. We're at the La Quinta, and look at the cool caution. It's a banana. Okay, so to start out, we have a fireplace. Yep. And then over here, we have breakfast, the free kind. So we have some tables, yogurt, cheese, eggs, milk, some toasters, pancakes. I mean, those are waffles. Ooh, dispenser locked. Oh. But they have orange juice and apple juice. I like both of those things. Mild coffee, normal coffee, strong coffee, hot water, strong decaf. I want the strong stuff. Yeah. So there's that. Then we have an elevator. A pool. How did we get there? Okay, I don't know how to get to the pool, so we're not going there. And all these comfy chairs. And hey, there's tic-tac-toe. You can play a nice game of tic-tac-toe. And they still have poinsettias, so Merry Christmas. I almost forgot, there's the snacks. We got a whole bunch of stuff. Cheesecake. Popcorn. They have popcorn. And Pringles. Oh, I love hotels. I could live in them. Miley, how excited are you that we're in a hotel? Oh, you're so excited. I'm so excited that I can actually run. Do you want to go outside? Oh, yes. You want to go outside? Okay, it's time for a room tour. Okay, retry. I had spaghetti on my face the first time. So we walk in. There's the door. A mirror, which is also the closet. A fancy bathroom. That's the shower. There's the toilet. Yeah. This is where you wash your hands. And then we have one bed, another bed, a TV, and a couch. And these cool circles. So that's the room. It also comes with a really cute dog, but not really. She's just mine. Good night. Okay, we woke up pretty early today, but not as early as we would if we were at home. Now we're gonna go get free breakfast. Okay, so I'm waiting for my waffle, but it's... Okay, so I have a muffin, scrambled eggs, sausage, and my waffled pancakes is what they call it. Okay, so breakfast was okay. The scrambled eggs were awful. Not sure if they were actually scrambled eggs or not. And that's it. It's here, Miley! Okay, so after staying at the La Quinta, my overall view for the hotel is a 3 out of 5 stars. No, 4 out of 5. Because I really like the La Quinta. And breakfast was like a 2 out of 5 because the only thing good was the sausage and the juice. Scrambled eggs were really bad. Yeah. Also, our basketball games were canceled because of the weather because it's blizzarding outside. So I don't get to go cheer today, but I will Monday or Tuesday. I hope it's Tuesday. Okay, so after dress rehearsal, we're at the mall, and I was gonna get some shoes. And then we're gonna go to P.F. Chang's, because it sounds really good. And yeah. My dad doesn't really like P.F. Chang's though, because he said that we go there too often. We don't, but yeah, that's it.
Yes, it is. Okay. The things you see at the mall. Everything. Huh? You can bring up to 24.
Also, this lady's been trying to decorate this window for like an hour, and it's not working. It's really bad. Okay, so I'm gonna try to show you this photo shoot. Also, I'd like to thank my secret dancer for the giant pack of Lip Smackers chapstick because it's the best. They taste so good. There are just some crazy people. I'm gonna show you this boat. No, I'm not. Okay, we made it to P.F. Chang's and it's really warm. Okay, so we're sitting outside, which is weird, and it's really cold, except it's covered, and there's a heat lamp. But I'm at P.F. Chang's, so I really don't care. And I already know what I'm gonna get. I'm gonna get chicken, egg flour soup, and green beans of some sort, and something to drink. Dinner is so good. We haven't really gotten anything yet. Okay, so you're not. We got some crispy green beans, edamame, and I got some egg flour soup. Okay, so our dinner came. Here's my chicken and carrots, some fried rice, and Mongolian beef. Okay, all done with dinner, and it was, as you can see, very good. I ate it all. Now we're gonna try to go home, but we might not make it home because of the blizzard that's happening. Yep. Okay, we have to go back outside in the snow, but I would like to thank Jenny and Paige for the gift card. I think that's who gave it to us. I don't really know. But thanks. It's so cold. Okay, so we just got home and it's really windy and we are snowed in. Well, that was fun.